This Re/Max distinctive property video is presented by Carole Maner. Discover the charm in this stunning 4-bedroom 3-bath smart home. Step inside and be captivated by this open floor plan. The large primary suite is isolated with glamour bath and features separate vanities and 2 walk-in closets. Bedroom 4, with a private bath, can be used as your flex space. This home is finished out with 9 ceilings, LVP floors, tile backsplash in kitchen, granite counters, and stainless appliances. The covered porch awaits, providing a serene space for outdoor enjoyment. A must-see. This home is eligible for a USDA loan. Call today to see if you qualify with no money down. For more information, review the details below or contact Carole Maner at 256-882-2223.